Happy Supermoon, everyone. My name is Jena and I want to personally invite you to my workshop this Saturday. So we have a very special moon tonight. It is a supermoon, meaning it's the biggest and brightest one of the year. It's also in the sign Capricorn. So you think of the sea goat, the Capricorn's always climbing the next mountain, always attaining the next goal. Very work oriented. Meanwhile, we're in Cancer season, the direct opposite of Capricorn. So you can imagine two magnets like pulling the moon, pulling our energy in some ways as well, creating for this like double supermoon effect. Cancer is the sign represented by the crab, and I like to imagine almost like a hermit crab picking out its favorite shells to create a beautiful home, because Cancers are all about home, family, intuition, coming inward, and understanding emotions and the depths of sort of their human experience. I think the lesson here for us is balance. So creating a balance that works for us of our work life and our home life. And one way that we can do that is by creating space to listen to our intuition, because we all rest differently. And our intuition and the universe has different ways to communicate to us of how we can get our rest. If any of this interests you, I would love to have you this Saturday from 6 to 8 p.m. at Roots to Wings. We're going to have a moon meditation followed by a yin to flow yoga based on the water element to celebrate the Cancer season. And then this will be followed by a time of Reiki and Shavasana. So I'm a professional Reiki practitioner, and I'll be walking around the room offering Reiki and some essential oils. The night will cap off with journaling and iced tea. So I would love to have you. Please come and be enriched and find some space to listen to your intuition. Thank you. See you there.